So I got something in the mail today. Kind of looks like a horse. Check it out. Do you think maybe they rode it here? Look, someone's drawn eyes on it and everything. Oh, shit. Good Jesus. Let's get it inside, shall we? Yes, that's right, I've had another delivery. Now, can you guess what's in the box? I don't know, it's kind of long and stuff. Bit of a head, something big in the box, I'm not sure. But if you reckon you know what it is, drop it in the comments below. And, oh, actually, that's not gonna work because you've already seen the name of the video. Anyway, let's just pull her inside, eh? Jeez. Come on, use your legs. What? You don't tuck your pants into your socks? Weirdo. Well, if you hadn't guessed already, there's an exhaust pipe in here. Well, there's meant to be at least anyway. But we'll start with the nose, work our way back, and see what's inside. Ah, guess what? I found a knife. I feel like I'm chopping up a horse here. Slitting up the throat. Woo. Right, and I gave the boys at Advanced Headers over in Adelaide a video of an idea I had in my head. And it was to run a twin system over top of the chassis on the back. Let me show you. And at the end, I want them just tail off and dump just behind the back bar there. So that'd be sick if you could do that. I reckon you guys can do it. Yeah, so that was my vision. And what you see here is that vision turned into reality. These guys have done an epic job at putting this thing together. I'm really excited. I think there's some headers as well. There's another box over there, which I'm gonna open up and have a look at that. So we'll do that now, and then start looking at putting this thing on the Patrol and see how she fits up.
The next day.
Deliveries! Okay, yeah, so clearly the headers there were recorded on a different day because they were delivered on a different day, but oh my God, look at this thing. Look at it. Oh man, this is gonna be epic, and I hope it sounds good. So Advanced Headers are a company I've known for a long time. They actually do a lot of off-the-shelf headers for LS conversions. So I'd used them previously with my wagon that I built, but these headers are their off-the-shelf version, but they've just been ceramic coated, obviously. But the exhaust, you can't get off the shelf. This was a full custom build for me. But if you jump in there and ask the boys to get the Sam Special, they might be able to hook you up. Yes, that's right. Now we're gonna look at putting all this thing together. I think we're gonna start with the back end and work our way forward. The headers, I won't be putting in now. Obviously, we're gonna wait for the motor to arrive before we do that. Because the only bit they couldn't do was actually marry up the headers to the exhaust, because the car it was built on was a diesel, so you couldn't have the headers on and blah, blah. Hello? Oh, but by the way, massive shout out to the guy in Adelaide. Yeah, his name's Tim, he knows who he is, but absolute legend. From the kindness of his heart, he let his car be sent to the guys at Advanced so they could build my exhaust on it, because obviously I'm all the way in Perth and they're in Adelaide. So bit of a hurdle to cross there, but thanks to Tim, we got through that. So huge shout out to you, mate. Appreciate your help. Let's get to it, eh? Whoops. Typical. The one light underneath where we're going to be working isn't working. This is what I have to deal with in my life. Look, battery operated light, blind you. That should do the trick. Yes! Now this is bloody good. What they've done here is actually made the exhaust mounts go straight onto what's existing with the tray supports. So there's no extra drilling, nothing required. And there you have it, guys. That is super quick and easy install. We've got both of them on there. There's literally only like three mounts. We've got the two at the back here for each tail that comes down, and then one for the muffler up the front. One connection, and that's pretty much it. The tray will go on top. This thing will all fit super snug. In between the exhaust will fit the drawer. So I think from the back it's gonna look super fat. So keen to get this thing running now, see what it sounds like, and yeah. Thanks for watching this unboxing video. And if you want to see any more of these Built Not Bought extra episodes, I post them over on my Patreon page first before they hit YouTube. So go over there and check it out. There's a link in the description below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button as well. And take it easy. Peace! Oh, hey, click the button to subscribe to my channel and you'll finally be happy.